Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own kimchi at home. First, prepare your napa cabbage. Cut one large head into 2-inch pieces, then soak it in a salt solution for about 2 to 3 hours. This brining process is crucial for texture and flavor. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold water to remove excess salt. This ensures your kimchi isn't too salty. Next, let's create the vibrant kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine gochugaru, minced garlic, fresh ginger, and a splash of fish sauce. For a subtle sweetness, grate in a small apple or pear. Then, mix in sliced green onions and shredded carrots. This paste is the heart of your kimchi, providing its signature spicy and savory flavor profile. Ensure all ingredients are well combined. Now for the fun part, mixing. Put on some gloves to protect your hands from the spice. Thoroughly mix the prepared paste with the brined and rinsed cabbage. Make sure every single piece of cabbage is evenly coated with the delicious paste. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of head space. This allows for fermentation. To ferment, leave your jar of kimchi at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired sourness. You might see some bubbles, which is a good sign of fermentation. After this initial period, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. Your homemade kimchi will keep well for several months. Enjoy it as a delicious side dish or incorporate it into your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.